John out here at Treviso Homes. We're back at the property. We had all hands on deck on Friday. If you can kind of see now, we've just done the grading. What this skid steer is doing right now, if you kind of focus on that, is they're doing the culvert that needs to be installed. There's a few ways to do this. You can do either like a ram style driveway, but you're always gonna have like a water at the bottom of the driveway, like a little bit of a swale. So we're gonna do it proper and do a culvert down the middle. More expensive, but much better product. Let's have a look. Get an idea now what's currently happening. So now they just did the cut for the driveway. We're gonna look at the rear of the property because they're just doing the decking around the pool. That's gonna be the same company that will do the walkway and the driveway. There's all our interlock now, all the patio ready to get laid. We got some great progress. So since we've done this last, the countertops wouldn't have been in and a few other items, but so this is now sort of like the finished product of the kitchen. Now there's a few things that we need to do. Clearly these guys are a little bit of pigs. This quartz guy made a little bit of a mess, so this is going to be reattached. But this is pretty much it. The kind of look and also the quartz that we chose. If you kind of see here, this is damage from the company, and I didn't pay them yet, so you know what's going to happen now. Not my fault, right? So that's good. All the appliances have been delivered. We're just missing the cooktop, which was cut out now. Again, this is all cut out on Saturday. And if we see, I mean, here, we'll keep going. So we got the closets also completed. Nothing crazy. What we did is, oh my God, the guy didn't put the glass back in. Yeah, he's got, the guy removed the glass. Oh my gosh. So he fixed this, because this is a huge issue. And now the glass, so they removed it, which they shouldn't have. They were thinking of doing it. So I gotta send a message now to Buddy. He also removed that, then reinstall it. Because what they did, they had to replace this tile and that tile. Because whoever did it did a really bad job. They kind of squared this out and there was a big gap, and also the top. So big issue here is the glass. And we've paid the tile guys. I've just seen this now for the first time, so a little bit of a surprise. Yeah, but so this thing was all pretty much screwed. At least now it's nice and straight, because we had a big gap at the bottom. It's not the best, to be honest, but it's a better fix. It is a shitty job, I gotta be honest. They didn't do a great job, this tile guys. Anyways, first time seeing it, it's a little touchy-feely, but yeah, that's not good. Did they lay the hole? Yeah, the faucet holes are there. Yeah, so this is now, if you see the pool, this is the rear decking. What's up, buddy? You kind of get an idea, like the size of this. They're 58 feet long, right, for the building stretch. So you kind of see the last time I was kind of talking about the fascia or the gutter that just needs to be removed, which they did. So now we can measure for the cage. That's pretty much it. We had this section now kind of flattened out just for erosion. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's looking good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the tour of this update. So as of next week, we should have this all laid, all the decking. Driveway should be done. Then we're going to put the irrigation in, put the sod, and not to mention tomorrow we're doing the drywall punch list, so they're going to complete that. Then they're going to do the paint touch-up, so it'll be all painted on the interior. Then we kind of sit tight because we're still waiting for electrical from LCEC. And then after that, this is a fully completed house, so then obviously the cage gets put up. But let's say we're 2 weeks out from completion.